Hey, so this video will show science and social studies teachers maybe an easier way to assign students to their interventions as opposed to building groups. So after talking to several of you, you're saying, well, after I build my group, several of them are already assigned, and so it's kind of messing up the numbers or causing a little bit of frustration. So I'm going to show you an easier way. So once you've built your sessions, again, I'm on Miss Way's account, and her sessions are built. So I'm just on the My Schedule tab with the sessions created. If you just go to Request Students, then it's going to give you, I believe that this will give you all the students, and you could search by, this is alphabetized by last name, so if you need a student in the last name R, then you could search, and you could see, like, if you needed this student, you can see that they are already assigned for an intervention, so you can't pull them, so that box isn't going to let you click it. But if you needed Carlos, then you could see that he's signed up for an enrichment, and it would let you override that box. So you would be able to click that box, and then you would be able to request that student. Okay, so that might be a little easier way for you to do that as opposed to building the groups. I do apologize that this is an easier way that I didn't show you to begin with. I'm also still learning as we go, and it seems like, you know, each individual needs a little bit different method depending on where they're at in the process. So hopefully this is helpful to you and makes assigning your students quicker and less of a headache. Thank you.